Welcome guys to a brand new video. Today we're gonna show you something that I've been planning to do. I work 12 hours in a day. It's not something I would like to do, but I feel like I want to do this challenge. I want to do this challenge because I don't know, I never see anybody do it, but if I don't know if somebody do it. Let me know too in the comment section below, because I never see anybody do it. Why? But I take this challenge for myself to work 12 hours and to see how much money I can make. And today I'm going to show you, after working 12 hours in a day, because Uber Eats only offer 12 hours. I don't know, it's not because in my state Uber Eats give me only 12 hours to work per day. I cannot work more than 12 hours per day. After working 12 hours, I have to wait 6 hours to have another 12 hours. You know what I'm saying? This is how I work over here in New York. After working 12 hours, I have to wait 6 hours before I can go online. Soon as you hit the 12 hours in Uber Eats, they kick you out on the app. I never see anything like that. Even though the next day you're still working, it keeps telling you the same thing. Oh, you work 12 hours. You work 12 hours. It keeps tell you the same thing. I guess because you think, oh, you have to go to sleep. You have to take rest, something like that. But no. I did this challenge, guys. It's for you. And let's get to the video to see how much money that I make. If you like this video so far, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please like and comment and subscribe. Yeah guys, as I promised you, you're gonna see after working 12 hours 11 minutes I get kicked out of Uber Eats, and you're gonna see how much money I make. I make 23 trips for that day. I was working day and morning and to night, and for this days I make 22 trips for that day, and then got 86 people tipping me. I always get 90% of people tipping me, but that day I only get like 86% people tipping me. And average I get $6.74, and that's all I get. And net fare is $194, and promotion it was $87, and tip it was $127, equal $410 I make for one day. This is the biggest day. The challenge was hard, and to work a full day 12 hours is not something I normally do, but it was a big challenge. I was so exciting, and I said, let's do it. If I make $200, I can make $400, and then I start and I do it and I make $400. It's just a mindset. If you make $100 in a day, you can make $200 in a day. Why you don't go for $200 in a day? And that's why I was telling myself, and then I go ahead and make the $400 in a day. How much money I get paid per trip? That's a little bit tricky. You're gonna see my different type of earning by trip. So the first trip, it was $15.37, and the second trip is $11.57. I make $8.29, and $22 per trip, 23 cents, $25, $31 per trip. I make $13. I make $16. I make $26. So yeah, let's continue. Is $26. I get $26 per trip, $32, and $38 per one trip, guys, and $26 per trip, $14, $15, $5, $7, $4, and $9, and $0 per trip because someone canceled the order and they have to pay me $3. You don't see it right here, but they will be me $3, and $10, $8, and $11, $13, and then if you take $110, you divide by 12 hours, you get $34 in average per hour. I get paid $34 per hour, and yeah, what can I do? You don't need a bachelor degree, you don't need an associate degree, you don't need no experience. You can make that money in one day, guys. That was really good. That was a big thing for as a young man. I'm able to make that kind of money per day. That's really tell me I can do more. It's very simple to make this money, and it's gonna take you a lot of energy to drive in the morning, to drive afternoon, and it's a whole day driving. But if you like driving, you can do it. It's not something only me can do it. Anybody can do it. But if you want to drive, if you put your mind to it. So it was hard a little bit because it's my first time I was doing it. After this, I've been driving more, and I have a new video I want to come out, and but I'm gonna have to drive a lot and to show you how many hours that I drive per week. And just stay tuned. If you like this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. If you have a question you want to ask me, please, you can do it. So take a comment section below and I will get you back. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, and see you to the next video. Bye.